Excellent. Today we are doing lesson 4 in our hands-on algebra. Yesterday you learned that you can take the same number of pawns away from each side to still have a balanced equation. Today you're going to learn that you can take the cubes away, or at least part of the value of the cubes away, as long as you're taking the same amount away from each side. So let's do a setup. We have 2x's plus 4 equals 10. So, what can I take away from each side here? Can I take any pawns away from each side? No, because there's only pawns on one side of the equation. So Chris, what do you think I can take away?
Take the 4 away from the 10.
Okay, so first I can take the 4 away from this side. But remember, whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. So if I take 4 away from this side, I have to take 4 away from this side. So what would 10 minus 4 be?
6.
6. Now we're left with a simplified equation. 2x's equals 6. What would 1x equal?
3.
3. 3 plus 3 is 6. We have 6 on this side. It is a balanced equation. Let's do some more examples. The next example is 2x's plus x plus 2 equals 2x's plus 10. So the first thing we want to look at is whether or not we can take any pawns away equally from both sides. Vanessa, what do you say?
Take 2 pawns away.
I can take 2 pawns away from each side, still a balanced equation because I did exactly the same thing to both sides. Now what can I do? I have 2x's plus 2 equals 10. What can I do to make this even simpler? Is there anything that I can do to reduce the numbers on the cubes? Anything that I can still take away from both sides that would leave me a balanced equation?
Take 2 from me.
You got it. So if I take 2 away from this side, yep, if I take 2 away from this side, I have to also take 2 away from this side. So if I take 2 away from 10, what do I get?
8.
I get 8. Which leaves me with a very simple algebraic equation. 2x's equals 8. What does 1x equal, Chris?
4.
4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Balanced on both sides. 8 equals 8. Nice job. Let's do some examples. One more example. X plus 3x's plus the number 3 equals x plus 18. So, looking at the pawns first. Tyler, what can I do from each side?
Take 1x away from each side.
I absolutely can. I can take 1 away from each side, still leaves me with a balanced equation. Now, looking at the cubes, what is the next step I can take, Chris?
Take 3 away from 18.
I can. Well, I have to take 3 away from each side. So if I take 3 away from this side, I say goodbye to it. Then I have to take 3 away from the 18. What does that become?
15.
It becomes 15. Now we have a simple algebraic equation. 3x's equals 15. What does each x equal in? 5. 5, 10, 15 equals 15. Balanced equation on both sides. Excellent job.